Hey, hey! Where you going, huh? Where you going? Show me. Back up. Woo! Look at you. Hey, Jake. Jake Meister. Show me where you going. Can you turn around? Where's Mom, Jake? She in the other room. Yep, they're working on a puzzle. I see you. Hey there. What you doing? Where you going? Driving your car? You're pretty good at that. Don't knock down your chair.